One of the things I get asked all the time is, do we do roof repairs on anything else but flat roofs? Yes, we do roof repairs on tiled roofs. We do roof repairs on slate roofs. We repair all sorts of roofs, including flat roofs. Just because we specialise in flat roofing doesn't mean to say that we don't do repairs or replacement roofs of slate roofs, or repairs or replacement of tiled roofs. We have to. If you're in the roofing game, you're doing repairs of all sorts. Normally we're doing flat roofs and we're having to strip slate roofs and tiled roofs to accommodate doing the flat roof itself. So in the respect of, just because we're called London Flat Roofing doesn't mean to say that we only do flat roofing. We get involved with doing repairs to chimneys. We get involved with doing repairs parapet walls. The amount of coping stones that we get involved with because the drip details are not working properly, and they normally undermine the roof, whether it be a flat roof and we're doing a repair on the flat roof, or whether it be a tiled roof or a slate roof that we're repairing. We normally look at the flashings, and they're the things that normally cause the problems. Now, in the respect of costs of repairs, well, if you send me photographs and you send me the address, I can always talk you through what the costs might be. Normally we're charging by the hour, and we'll give you fixed costs for repairs. That doesn't matter what it is in the respect of a flat roof repair, a tiled roof repair, or a slate roof repair. We'll always give a fixed cost. These days it's really easy to send photographs over, so the more you can send me on WhatsApp or by text or by email, send me your details over. I'll have a look at it for you, and I should be able to give you fixed cost. If not, we can give you hourly rates so you know where you're going. So many people get caught up in this problem of starting off at a small cost, and it escalates. Normally we try and cap our costs, so if you send me photographs and videos, I'll look at those, I'll tell you how many hours I think it would be, and then we'll move forward on that basis. Hopefully that helps. If you need any more information, you can always contact me. Details are always down below. Email, text message, WhatsApp, whatever way you want to contact me. Hopefully speak to you soon.